Hello everyone. So today we are going to see a new LeetCode problem, that is problem number 88, not sorted array, for our new LeetCode playlist series. So what does the problem states? You are given an integer arrays, that is two arrays num1 and num2, sorted in a non-decreasing order. That is, they are sorted in the ascending order, and they have provided the two integers, that is m and n, which represents the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. What does this state? The num1s and num2 into a single array in non-decreasing order. So we have to merge this num1 and num2 array in a non-decreasing order, that is in ascending order. But what is the main headline of this problem? They say that the final sorted array should not be written by the function, but instead should be sorted in the nums1. Okay, it should be stored inside the array num1. To accommodate this, the num1 has a length of n plus n. Okay, n plus n meaning the size of the nums1 and size of the nums2. Okay, so where the first n elements denote the elements that should be merged. Okay, and the last n elements set to 0 should be ignored. Okay, so num2 has a length of n. Okay, for example, if the input says num1, if it is given that 1 2 3 0 0 0, they have written that these 0 are to be ignored. So what is basically this m? M is nothing but the number of elements, active elements in the nums1 array, that is 1, 2 and 3. Nums2 array contains 3 elements, that is n. Which are these 3? 2, 3 and 6. You notice one thing, that these num1 and num2, these active elements are already sorted in the non-decreasing order which they have provided. What is this explanation? The arrays we are merging are 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5, 6. The result of the merge is 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, which is not in decreasing order. Okay, same goes for this example 2 and same goes for the example 3. So basically what we will do first. So we will create three variables, that is int I. If suppose we take int I is equals to, which is n minus 1. What is this n minus 1? They have given what is they have given the size, what is m is equals to 3. What is 3 represent? The actual elements, active elements in nums1 array. So we have to go to the last elements of this number. So indexing start from the 0 in arrays in Java. So we will go 0, 1 and 2. So we will go to the second element. Okay, same goes for the int j is equals to n minus 1. Same for this array nums2 array, we have to iterate to the sixth element. So basically 0, 1, 2. We will go to same, and int k is equals to m plus n minus 1. So basically what it means, m plus n minus n means, what is the value of n here? 3. What is this value of n here? 3. So basically 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1 represents 5. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to iterate till the last positions of the nums1 array which they have provided. Okay, basically 5 plus 3 plus 3 minus 4 is equals to 5. So what is happening here? If we take this input, okay, we will copy this. What's happening? We are comparing this last element to this last element, and if If either of the element is greater, we will store at this kth element. Kth element is nothing but the fifth. So we are comparing this last elements of this both array. हम तो इस array में और इस array में ये जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है जो कि बड़ा सबसे बड़ा जो एलिमेंट एक्टिव एलिमेंट जो 3 है और इसमें से जो 6 है, इनमें से दोनों में से जो भी सबसे बड़ा होगा वो array के लास्ट पोजीशन में सेटल हो जाएगा और फिर k माइनस माइनस करके हम यहाँ तक आ जाएंगे. So we'll write the code for this. So we'll take in is equals to n minus 1 as I said, and j is equals to n minus 1 and k is equal to n plus n minus 1. Okay, so जब तक हमारा j 0 से बड़ा है तब तक हम लूप इटरेट करेंगे. Okay, so अगर if r is greater than or equal to 0, as it is greater than or equal to 0, we know that for the case 1, what is this value 2. Okay, and nums 1 of I is greater than nums 2 of j, then what we'll do that we'll do nums of k is equals to nums 1 of I. Okay, we'll place at the kth position which is greater than element, that is the ith element in the nums1 array. So if we place nums1 array, if we place suppose now the 6th element is greater than the 3, so we'll write the else condition for it. Else nums k equal to nums1 of k is equals to nums2 of j equal to j minus 1, because the j element is greater. If the ith element is greater, so we will do here I minus minus, and the both cases k will move to the previous place. Let's see what's it do. So these 3 cases are now accepted. Means 3, 2, 5, 6 output. Okay, what we have basically done in short, here basically this nums1 we have to update, that is, let's us say 0 0 0 4 and 0 0. Okay, so basically we have taken this nums1 array, we have to take this nums1, okay, as they have given. So what will be the output? Basically first we are in the third position and sixth position, so which is the greatest 6, that it will update to 6. Again it will update to this 5th. We have updated the jth element, so we will take j minus minus, so we come here, so 5 and 3, which is greater, that's 5 is greater, so we will update 5. Again we will move to this step, j minus minus, again we move to 2, so we are at 3, so 3 is greater, so we write 3 here. Okay, so we do here I minus minus, because I is updated, so we are at 2 is to equal, so we write here 2. Okay, ith position, so this step is provided. We are here, 1 and 2. 2 is vector, so we write here 2, and this remaining element is copy. This is the sorted array. Let's submit. Okay, runtime 0 millisecond, it's 100%. Thank you.